Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO A74 5G and the XIAOMI AirDots 2, and I'm going to show you how you can link these two devices. So at the first you have to open case with your AirDots, just like that. And when the indicator are not blinking on the white color and they are not automatically in the pairing mode, you have to click and hold both buttons on your AirDots. So let's make it just like that. And take a look on the indicators. When they blink on the red, we can release, and right now they are blinking on the white color, so it means that they are in the pairing mode, so we can easily open Bluetooth settings on our OPPO, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and here they are, so we have to connect by tapping on them, click to pair, and as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. It was very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel.